review how to set your TCP or your tool center point on your BotX XSR. On your pendant, we're going to go into Installation. Under General, we're going to go into TCP, and we're going to click Measure. And now we're going to set point 1. We want to use the teach tip, and we want to line that up with a secured pointy object of your choice. So just like this, we're going to line those up. And we're going to click set point 1 and click OK, and then set point 2. And you want to make sure that point 2 is different than point 1. And then we'll click OK on the pendant and set point 3. And we'll click OK and set point 4. And then we click OK, and then we're going to click Set. Now that we have set the TCP, we're going to set the orientation, so we'll click Measure. And on the drop-down, we will make sure that the drop-down says Base, and now we will set that point. When we set the orientation, we are going to point the teach tip straight up, being careful of the torch. And we will orientate this straight towards the ceiling. And once that is set, we will click OK and Set. And now our TCP and our orientation have been set. And now we want to test them. We will do this by placing the teach tip back on the piece that we used to set our TCP. And now we will go into the move screen across the top, and on the bottom left where it says TCP orientation, we will use the arrows to move our teach tip around the point that we taught. And if they stay close, that means that the TCP is set correctly and you are able to begin programming. And that is how you set your TCP for the BotX XSR.